Hi friends, today we'll be making a wizard hat. The supplies you'll need are a piece of colorful oak tag, a stapler, star stickers, scissors, a pencil, and a ruler. You will draw this large fan shape on your oak tag. You will cut the fan shape out, then you will take it, fold it into a cone shape, staple it, then you'll take your star stickers and stick them on to your wizard hat to decorate, and you'll have your own wizard hat.